In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books through Chrome. Whether you've encountered an error in your records or need to update your details, this guide will take you through each step of the process with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to navigate to your Chrome browser, as this method is streamlined for that environment. Open Chrome and head directly to the Zoho Books website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. This will take you to your Zoho Books dashboard, where you can view and manage all your financial data. Once inside Zoho Books, look towards the left sidebar. You'll see a menu option labeled Sales. This is your gateway to all sales-related activities in Zoho. Click on Sales, and from the drop-down that appears, select Invoices. This area lists all your recent invoices, providing a comprehensive view of your billing activities. Now, you'll need to locate the specific invoice you wish to cancel. You can search through your list of invoices, or if you have a large volume, make use of the search bar to find your target invoice quickly. Click on the invoice, and this will open a detailed view where you can verify all the information to ensure it's the right document to cancel. With the correct invoice selected, your next move is to look towards the top right corner of the invoice detail page. Here, you'll notice a button that looks like a series of 3 vertical dots. This icon represents the More or Options menu. Give that a click, and a drop-down will appear with several action choices. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Invoice. Clicking on Cancel Invoice will prompt a confirmation message to appear. This is Zoho's way of double-checking that you truly intend to discard this invoice. It's always a good idea to take a moment and confirm that you've selected the correct document for cancellation. If you're certain, go ahead and click Confirm, and just like that, your invoice is successfully canceled. Zoho Books will update your records to reflect this change, ensuring your financial data remains accurate and up to date. It's worth noting that once canceled, all associated records and references to this invoice will now indicate that it is no longer valid. I hope this step-by-step guide has empowered you to manage your invoicing with ease. Remember, keeping your financial documents accurate is crucial for smooth operational flow, and Zoho Books makes it a breeze. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on mastering Zoho Books.